if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn your post notifications on. And for now, we're gonna do a slime review, which are kind of my slime collections. So without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, guys, my hands are red because I added food coloring to some of my slimes. First slime that I got is the ube ice cream slime. So let's just play with it. Thank you, Te. So, like your hands. Don't move your hands. No, don't cover the speaker. Not like this. Like this, like that. Like, yeah, just like that. Thank you. So first, we're going to open it. Wow, it's so cool. Then we're going to touch it. Of course, you have to touch slime. So this slime, capture. Again, so this slime is a fluffy slime, and sorry, slime fart. Sound like forward. So, when you keep on mixing them, it turns great. It turns light purple. Can I zoom? Okay, zoom. Here it is. It's super cool, guys, and I'd say I would rate this 10 out of 10. Next slime is strawberry. I don't know the name. Strawberry ice cream slime. Sorry about the cut. So it is colored red, color for food coloring. Then if you I can't talk. Right, so bright. And it's super cool. It's also a fluffy slime, and it's scented vanilla scent. So I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Next slime I'm going to open is, this is also cereal milk slimes. This is inspired by, I know it's going to turn pink because my hands are pink. This is inspired by parakeet slimes. There's a cat. If you don't know her, I'll link her in the description down below. Look at that. So this is a glossy slime. And like parakeet slime, it's glossy, and it smells like Fruit Loops. So yeah. So let's do an ASMR. So next slime is the Blood Sisters Blood, and it's a red. I put red food coloring, like a lot. So yeah, I think it's gonna turn pink if I keep on touching it. It's really sticky. And look at that. So I have to clean that container. Ow! I got cut. Ow. Anyways, it's fine. I just got cut. And there's a lot in the container. So don't mind the container, guys. I'll just get it when this thing is done, baby, done. Okay, it's really sticky right now. So it's really cool because I call it the Blood Sisters Blood. So there's like a story here. They are 3 sisters, and one sister is really strict, like she's really strict, and the other sister, because they're twins, so the other sister is good and can always accept her other sister, and the other one speaks in dialect and just new in the family. And yeah. Next slime is the green leaf slime. And this is like light green slime. So I don't think I want to name it green leaf. You can also comment down below what to name it. But also I really like to name it mint green slime. But oh well, comment down below what's better, mint green slime or green leaf slime. And I know it's getting like, this has like red things on it, because like my hands are red, so please accept it for that. So let's just stop talking and let's do the ASMRs. We're done. Next slime is the bubbly bubblegum slime. So it's really bubbly, and look how bubbly it is. So let's just put it in a container and enjoy the slime. So it's really sticky like a bubble gum, because I call it bubbly bubble gum, and it has white stuff on it because this was white before, like cereal milk, but I decided to make it as a what do you call that? Bubbly bubble gum slime. Bubbly. So let's just stop talking and oh, by the way, guys, am I done with this? The rate for my cereal milk is 10, and the rate for my strawberry ice cream. What was this? Strawberry ice cream slime. I forgot the name. It's a 10, and the green leaf or mint green slime is a 10, and the blood of the blood sisters is a 10, and the ube slime again, it's a 10. So, oh my gosh, the lightning is like super light. So the slime is really sticky, I would say. But anyways, guys, it's the bubble gum, so please accept my slime. So let's just do some pokings, but not the bubble pops, because it's super sticky and it got in my hand, and I don't want to ruin the other slimes. My gosh. So let's just poke it. Little zoom in, and yeah. Oh my gosh, my hands are just slime. This slime just flied. Next slime is is this the bubblegum slime? Oh yeah, the bubblegum slime. This is the blue one. So I call it bubblegum slime. Just bubblegum slime. The puppies. Anyways, guys, you saw my puppy in the last video. That was last month ago. Oh, last week. Last week. So this bubblegum slime is kind of sticky, and anyways, it's not the same as the strawberry. Wait, it's not. It's not the same as that strawberry slime. I guess. Strawberry bubbly. They're not the same as strawberry bubbly bubblegum slime. They're not the same because the other one's really sticky and it's glossy, and this one is not fluffy and a little sticky. So I'll stop talking and do some, ASMR for you guys. So I'll rate this slime as a 10 out of 10. Next slime is, oh my gosh, is called nothing. I don't know what to call it. Sorry guys if I don't know, because I have no idea, because this is my first time, not first time making slime in my collections. I got 12 slimes, so comment down below, because it smells like Fruit Loops. And comment down below what slime should this be. And tell me if you come out like cereal milk. I already have my own cereal milk slime. And this slime is so thick. It's not like, I didn't put shaving cream on it. So it's so thick. Like, oh my god. So I'm just gonna stop talking and do some ASMR on you. Sorry about the noise because I'm using a glass and the table is really bad. And comment down below if what do you think the name of this slime, and comment also if you want me to change the color. So yeah. Next one is I don't have a name for it because I was too lazy doing something. So I don't have a name for this one. This one is really fluffy. This one is really fluffy, and tell me guys, because two slimes are not yet named. Tell me what name do you want. Like, if you want me to change the colors, tell me what kind of color and name it. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and do some ASMR for you guys. Oh my gosh, really, I'm really sorry about the plate, the bowl. Oh, so next slime is strawberry ice cream slime. So I appreciate how pretty it is. It's like the ubi slime, but I mixed it. Oh my gosh, it's super sticky. So I'm just gonna put this, like, I'm gonna separate them because they're gonna be like same colors. Like, look at that, guys. Look at the white, white layer in there. So I'm not going to like show you like mix them together because I wanted to make their own colors. But I'll let you guys know tomorrow. I'll mix them together, but not now because I just made it now. And I'll rate this slime a 10 out of 10. Again, this slime is a 10 out of 10, the one that has no name. And also the slime is a 10 out of 10, the one that has no name. So I'm just going to separate it there because I want to change the colors. Next slime. So, oh well, mistakes. The slimes are 11. So this is the last slime. I have no name for it. Oh my gosh, I have no name for this one. So tell I have no name for this slime. This is the last slime. It's because it's 11 now. I thought it was 12. I have no name for this slime. Comment down below if you want to change the color, comment what color, and comment the name. First person to comment 3 of the slimes that is not named, like I'll pick 1 person only. Viewed and subscribed to my channel. What's funny? Oh, it's out.